From the vast expanse of space, Earth sends out a tiny hello, a shot in the cosmic dark. But what are we really saying? And to whom? In our quest for cosmic companionship, we've sent out a few postcards from Earth. First stop, 1974, Arecibo, Puerto Rico. Humanity's first deliberate radio message to the stars is the Arecibo message. It's a string of binary code, just ones and zeros, meant to give our address in the cosmos. Designed by Frank Drake and Carl Sagan, the message paints a picture. The numbers 1 through 10, atomic numbers hinting at our DNA, a humanoid figure, a representation of our solar system, and the very dish from which it was sent. This was a calling card to the cosmos, aimed at a cluster 25,000 light-years away. Our next messages were etched in gold, the pioneer plaques of 72 and 73. The golden plaques depict us, hello handsome, a map pinpointing our sun's location using 14 pulsars, and our pioneer silently journeying into the abyss. But why stop at postcards? In 1977, for our most distant messengers, the Voyager spacecraft, we made mixtapes. The Voyager Golden Records featured Earth's greatest hits from Mozart to Chuck Berry, hello messages in 55 languages, enchanting sounds of our planet, melodies from diverse cultures, and images, 115 of them, snapshots of our world, our lives, our essence. A message to say, this is who we are. A greeting intended for any form of life, perhaps billions of years from now. Fast forward to the late 90s and early 2000s. We have the Cosmic Call, an ambitious attempt to contact other stars. These were more structured, almost like a cosmic textbook. This message talks of math, of our DNA, of human evolution, and even gives a tutorial on how to read this all. The Cosmic Call was a radio transmission sent from the Yevpatoria RT-70 radio telescope in Ukraine. Another broadcast known as A Message from Earth, also transmitted from the RT-70 radio telescope, came in 2008, the age of social networks. The information contains 501 messages that were selected through a competition on the social networking site Bebo. Half a millennium of digital greetings, dreams, and images were beamed to the exoplanet Gliese 581c, 20 light-years away. With every message, we offer a piece of us, hoping that somewhere, someone might listen. In the infinite cosmic tapestry, we thread our stories, etching our existence. But how do we even expect ET to decode our cosmic texts? Well, we bank on math, the universe's own language. Take the Arecibo message. This one is in binary, the universe's ABCs, just ones and zeros, yet when put together it's our starter pack to universal communication. The Arecibo message has 1,679 digits. This number is not random. It's a product of two prime numbers, a clue for its layout, a cosmic puzzle if you will. Dive deeper and you'll spot familiar faces, our elemental buddies, because what's more universal than the ingredients of life itself? Speaking of universality, ever thought about what the universe hums to? The frequency of hydrogen, our cosmic dial tone, and a beacon to point out our messages. Now, if we were giving aliens a crash course on Humans 101, where would we start? Right, stick figures and numbers. For our ambitious Voyager classmates, we up the ante. First, count to 10. Next, draw DNA. Then, show them a party, Earth style. Or take the more straightforward approach. Show them where you live and, oh, how you look in the morning. Thanks, Pioneer Plaques. And if all else fails, provide a user manual. The Voyager Golden Record, for instance, comes with its own how-to guide. It's a galactic guessing game. Do they see like us? Think like us? One thing's for sure, we've poured our cosmic heart out, hoping somewhere out there, someone's tuning in. Who knows? Maybe they're drafting a reply.
Anyone with
So we've shouted out into the void, but what if the void shouts back with consequences? Some thinkers have said, whoa there, Earthlings, what if our messages aren't just received, but attract the wrong kind of attention? Imagine the universe as its own cosmic jungle predators. By shouting out, are we inviting them over for, well, dinner? Broadcasting our existence might make us a tempting destination. Think about Earth's own history. Explorers rarely visited new lands without hidden agendas.
So if aliens ever visit us, I think the outcome would be much as when Christopher Columbus first landed in America.
Stephen Hawking warned us of the potential risks, but others think the chances of malevolent extraterrestrials are slim. After all, if they're advanced enough to receive our message, wouldn't they be advanced enough to be, chill? Then there's biology. Our first handshake. It could be our last. Unknown pathogens from a friendly extraterrestrial could prove catastrophic. And it's not just about them harming us. What if our common cold is their black plague? Discovering we're not alone might rattle the foundations of our beliefs. Our religions, philosophies, our very understanding of us could face upheaval. Technological dazzle? Sure, it sounds great. But what if their tech makes us reliant, or worse, controlled? And then, resources aren't infinite. Every cosmic hello is time, effort, and money. Some argue, is it worth the gamble? What about false positives? Our own echoes or a clever human prank could mislead us, sparking false hope or panic. Misunderstandings are common between Earth cultures. Imagine that on a cosmic scale. Our hello could be their war cry. And lastly, a moral conundrum. Who speaks for Earth? Which language? Which beliefs? Who decides? Our journey of cosmic communication is fraught with uncertainties, but as with all explorations, with great risks come great rewards. The question is, are we ready? Only time will tell. From pictorial representation on Pioneer's plaque to Voyager's step-by-step build-a-picture, we've tried to make things user-friendly for our galactic pals. In the vast silence of space, our messages are like whispers in the dark. Perhaps one day, we'll get a whisper back. Until then, we'll keep dreaming, wondering, and hoping that our cosmic neighbors are friendly, or at least, not too hungry. Don't forget to watch the video on the right and subscribe. Thanks for being part of Cosmoknowledge.